Alright, here we have my new Martin Industries mechanical bell. This will have been installed by the late L&N back in 1981. Not entirely sure which cost it came from, but I suspect it was most likely 12th Street No. 1 Gadsden, because prior to those signals being replaced back in 2015, I believe it was, maybe it was 2016, the old signals there had a Martin Industries mechanical bell that was also painted black. But I don't think the condition is quite like this one's was. If someone wants to try to look on the website and see. This one also, I'm pretty sure, was dead at the time of removal. I'll point out why shortly. Of course, here's the front. Here's, of course, you can see there's no little latches embedded into the side here. Here's the back. You got the nice Martin Industries branding on the back there. Then you also have, up here you can actually see some red showing through. I don't think it's rust. That's just, I don't know if that's where, it's obviously where the black paint's worn off. I'm not sure if it's the original paint or if that's just, that might just be the primer showing through, which I think is kind of neat. Yeah, inside we've got, over here's the door. The inside of the door, you got the Martin Industries information here. You got the date 1981. You can see that info there for anyone who wishes to pause and read it. Here's the inside of the bell mechanism, which I've reassembled. I may readjust this contact back to the top where it originally was, but yeah, it's a bit of a tricky one getting this one working, because although it does want to work, when I apply power to it, unfortunately, it does not ring, because the oscillator here, this part, this is actually a replacement piece from Electrical & Hayes. This will be from a second gen, I believe. And as you can see, it is made of plastic entirely rather than metal. And unfortunately, if you look right up here, you can see this is worn out. It should not have that much travel on it, which is what ultimately prevents it from ringing, because it cannot get enough, because the mechanism basically cannot get enough momentum to bring the hammer up or allow it to come back all the way up due to the worn out part around the peg there. And as such, this thing cannot, it normally just kind of twitches down a little, and it'll be like that instead of actually ringing. But the hammer is in there, thankfully, still. As you can see by me manually ringing it there. Had to actually get all the wires hooked back up. But yeah, just thought I'd show this thing off real fast. Yeah, it's my new Martin Industries mechanical bell. At the time, I've actually contacted Electrical & Hayes about getting a replacement part for the oscillator. At the time of recording this, could be changed, and if it has changed, I'll make sure to note so in the description. But at the time of recording this, they have yet to get back to me on a quote for, I've asked for a quote for that part. Have yet to get back to me on that. So hopefully I'll have a replacement part before too long. This thing will be working again. If not, then well, I do have a working Martin Industries mechanical bell I got from the New York, Susquehanna, and Western in New Jersey some year back in 2017. Over and out.